Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study some important equations in quantum mechanics. First, that is phase translation, in which Hamiltonian does not change when the position is changes, that is h of x plus a is equal to h of x. Space rotation, that is known as isotropy of space, in which the rotational matrix in z direction, that is x prime y prime z prime, that is equal to cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1 x y z, and in x direction, that is x prime y prime z prime, that is 1 0 0 0 cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta x y z. In ry of theta in y direction, that is x prime y prime z prime, that's equal to cos theta 0 minus sin theta 0 1 0 sin theta 0 cos theta x y z. In rotational space, we get that the Hamiltonian does not change in the space rotation. In time translation also, the Hamiltonian does not change, that is h of t that's equal to h of t prime. Some important facts, that is homogeneity of space in which linear momentum is conserved, isotropy of space in which angular momentum is conserved, homogeneity of time in which total energy is conserved. Energy of an EM wave, that is E is equal to h nu, that's equal to hc by lambda, that's equal to 12,400 electron volt divided by lambda in angstrom, 1240 electron volt divided by lambda in nanometer. E is equal to h nu, that's equal to h cross omega. Omega is the angular velocity. In Planck's oscillator, we know that there is a mass which is moving, which oscillates distance x. So E is equal to p square by 2m plus half kx square. K is the spring constant and m is the mass of that body, p is the momentum, and x is the extension. And energy of Planck's oscillator, that's equal to nh cross omega. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. For a free particle, potential energy is equal to 0. For a bound particle, potential energy is not equal to 0. For a hydrogen atom, potential is equal to minus Z square divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R. For a one-dimensional box, we know that the potential inside is equal to 0, outside infinite potential, and we consider a one-dimensional box in which 0 to L is the length. So the wave function is equal to sin of x is equal to under root 2 by L sin n pi x by L. Energy of nth state, that's equal to n square pi square h square divided by 2ml square. For a non-relativistic, we consider that as the condition is V by C is very less than 1. For relativistic, that is V by C is equal to 1. For mass is equal to, for a relativistic body, m is equal to gamma m naught. Gamma is equal to 1 by under root 1 minus v square by c square. Energy of a relativistic particle, that is under root p square c square plus m naught square c power 4. P square c square is the square of kinetic energy. M0 square c power 4, that is the square of rest mass energy. E0 is equal to m0 c square is the rest mass energy. Energy can be written as gamma E naught in relativistic body, that's equal to gamma m naught c square. Energy of a photon, that's equal to Pc. Mass, rest mass, that's equal to 0. Rest energy of photon is also 0. For a de Broglie wavelength, lambda is equal to h by p. P is momentum. V is equal to nu lambda. E is equal to mc square, that is Einstein's equation. Lambda relatives, that's equal to hc under root e square minus e naught square. Lambda relatives, that's equal to hc divided by under root k square plus 2k e naught, where k is the kinetic energy. Lambda non-relatives, that's equal to h divided by under root 2mk, where k is the kinetic energy. Lambda non-relativistic kinetic energy can be replaced by the total energy minus potential energy. So h divided by under root 2m e minus v. We can conclude that the wavelength, that is directly proportional to 1 by root E. Compton shift equation, that is we get a increase in the wavelength. We can consider that the scattered wavelength is more than the incident wavelength. So delta lambda is equal to lambda prime minus lambda. Compton wavelength lambda c is equal to h by m0 c. Lambda relative, that's equal to lambda c under root gamma square minus 1. For a hydrogen atom, the angular momentum is considered L is equal to nh cross, n lambda is equal to 2 pi r. Group velocity Vg is equal to omega by dk. That's also equal to dE by dp, where k is the wave vector, that's equal to pi by lambda. Phase velocity Vp is equal to omega by k, that's equal to E by p. Group velocity and phase velocity relations, that is Vg is equal to Vp plus k dVp by dk. Vg is equal to Vp minus lambda dVp by d lambda. Vp is directly proportional to root lambda, that is equal to Vg is equal to Vp by 2. When Vp is directly proportional to 1 by root lambda, Vg is equal to 3 by 2 Vp. When Vp is directly proportional to root k, Vg is equal to 3 Vp by 2. Vp is directly proportional to 1 by root k, Vg is equal to Vp by 2. Relativistic particle, we know that Vg into Vp, that's equal to c square. For a non-relativistic free particle, Vg is equal to Vp. Probability density, we know that psi star psi. Wave function properties, generally psi is finite. For x is plus or minus infinity, psi should be 0. Psi should be continuous. Psi is single value. Dou psi by dou x must be continuous. And psi is square integrable, that is integral minus infinity to plus infinity. Psi star psi dx is less than infinity. When integral minus infinity to plus infinity psi star psi dx is equal to 1, that is normalization condition. Some integrals equation, that is integral minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to minus ax square plus bx plus c is equal to under root pi by a e raised to b square minus 4ac by 4a. Integral 0 to infinity x raised to n e raised to minus ax dx is equal to n factorial divided by a raised to n plus 1. It is the gamma function. Integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax dx is equal to 1 by a. Integral of minus infinity to 0 e raised to ax dx is equal to 1 by a. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity x raised to 2n e raised to minus ax square dx is equal to under root pi 1 into 3 into 5 into etc. to 2n minus 1 divided by 2 raised to n a raised to n plus half. Integral 0 to L sin square x dx and minus integral minus L to plus L cos square x dx is equal to half into length of the interval. Okay. Probability, we know that probability is always directly proportional to mode amplitude square. For a most probable value, we know that dou by dou x is equal dou by dou x of psi star psi is equal to 0. For a r function, that is dou by dou r of psi star psi r square is equal to 0. Integral minus infinity plus infinity e raised to minus of ax square plus bx dx is equal to under root pi by a e raised to b square by 4a. Integral of minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to minus ax square dx is equal to under root pi by a. It is the Gaussian integral. And the wave function of hydrogen atom, that is psi of 1s is equal to 1 by under root pi a naught cube e raised to minus r by a naught. For most probable value of the position, that is r is equal to a naught. Expectation value, we know that expectation value of a, that is integral psi star a operator psi dx by integral psi star psi dx. For a normalized wave, we know that the denominator is equal to 1, that is integral psi star psi dx is equal to 1. So we just find the numerator for a normalized wave function. We just collect the idea of the operator, that is the position operator x cap is equal to x, px cap, that is moment operator, is equal to minus ih cut dou by dou x, px square is equal to minus h cut square dou square by dou x square, e square energy operator, that is equal to ih cut dou by dou t. For a hydrogen atom, we know that the wave function psi1s is equal to 1 by under root pi a naught cube e raised to minus r by a naught, where a naught is the radius of hydrogen atom. So from that we get the position expectation, that is r cap is equal to 3 by 2 a naught, 1 by r expectation, that is equal to 1 by a naught, r square expectation, that is equal to 3 a naught square, 1 by r square expectation, that is equal to 2 by a naught square. For a linear harmonic oscillator, wave function psi is equal to alpha square by pi all power 1 by 4 e raised to minus half alpha square x square. Where position expectation, that's equal to 0, x square expectation, that's equal to 1 by 2 alpha square. Time dependent Schrodinger equation that's equal to I h square dou psi by dou t is equal to h psi. Hamiltonian is equal to minus h square by 2m del square psi plus v of r. And the time independent Schrodinger equation that's equal to h psi is equal to e psi. Equation of continuity. We know that del dot j plus dou rho by dou t is equal to 0 is the equation of continuity. J is the current density. Rho is the charge density. J is equal to h squared by 2im psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. For a real wave, the current density is equal to 0. For differential equation of Schrodinger equation that's equal to dou square psi by dou x square plus 2m by h square e minus v into psi is equal to 0, where k the wave vector that's equal to under root 2m e minus v by h square. The energy of a one-dimensional box in which the length from 0 to L, the wave function is in is equal to under root 2 by L sin n pi x by L. The position expectation that's equal to L by 2, x square expectation that's equal to L square by 3 minus L square by 2n square pi square. Expectation value of momentum that is 0 for one dimensional box, px square expectation that's equal to n square pi square h square divided by L square. We know for the particle in a box that is length from minus L by 2 plus L by 2, the wave function is for that is sin of x is equal to under root 2 by L cos n pi x by L for n is odd, under root 2 by L sin n pi x by L for n is even. We consider the expectation of x for this box that is 0, px expectation that is equal to 0, x square is L square by 12 minus L square by 2n square pi square. Px square expectation that is also equal to n square pi square h cross square divided by L square. The time evolution of wave function in which we just consider the wave function psi n 0. After time t, it is changes as psi n 0 e raised to minus I e n t by h cross. And time at which wave functions are orthogonal, we consider just the function. We consider the wave function at time t is equal to 0, cm phi m plus en phi n. At t time, that is cm phi m e raised to minus I e m t by h cross plus cn phi n e raised to minus I e n t by h cross. At time at which the wave functions is orthogonal, that is h cross by delta e cos inverse of minus mod cm square by mod cn square. Okay. We consider the equation psi is equal to a1 psi 1 plus a2 psi 2, in which the density that's equal to a1 square psi 1 square plus a2 square psi 2 square plus 2a1 a2 psi 1 psi 2. Psi x comma 0, in which we consider the real wave function, in which we get the answer like this. If the constants and the wave functions are not real, we get the answer like this: a1 square psi 1 square plus a2 square psi 2 square plus a1 a2 star psi 1 psi 2 star plus a2 a1 star psi 2 psi 1 star. At time t change, the probability density changes as a1 square psi 1 square plus a2 square psi 2 square plus a1 a2 star psi 1 psi 2 star e raised to I e2 minus e1 into t by h cross plus a2 a1 star psi 2 psi 1 star e raised to minus I e2 minus e1 into t by h cross. When the functions are real after time t, the probability density that is equal to a1 square psi 1 square plus a2 square psi 2 square plus 2a1 a2 psi 1 psi 2 cos of e2 minus e1 into t by h cross. When the wave function is a linear combination of a1 psi 1 plus I a2 psi 2, that's equal to rho of x comma 0, that is at t is 0, the function is a1 square psi 1 square plus a2 square psi 2 square. At time t, the function is mod a1 square psi 1 square plus a2 square psi 2 square plus I a2 a1 star psi 2 psi 1 star e raised to minus I e2 minus e1 into t by h cross minus I a1 a2 star psi 1 psi 2 star e raised to I e2 minus e1 into t by h cross. After time t, the functions are real, then the probability density that's equal to a1 square psi 1 square plus a2 square psi 2 square plus 2a1 a2 psi 1 psi 2 sin of e2 minus e1 into t by h cross. Particle moving in a Dirac delta potential, V is equal to minus alpha delta, that is attractive Dirac delta potential. We know that the Dirac delta function, that is infinity at x equal to 0, 0 at x is not is equal to 0. The wave function has root k raised to minus k mod x. We have a discontinuity in the first derivative, that is equal to minus 2m alpha by h cut square into psi of 0. K is equal to m alpha by h cut square and E is equal to m alpha square by 2h cut square. We consider next that step potential case in which the energy is greater than the potential. From that we get the reflection coefficient, that's equal to k2 minus k1 all square by k2 plus k1 all square, where k2 and k1 are the wave vectors from region 2 and region 1. The transmission coefficient, that's equal to 4k1 k2 divided by k1 plus k2 all square. We have the equation that is r plus t is equal to 1, that is reflection coefficient plus transmission coefficient, that's equal to 1. One more quantity is present here, that is absorption. We are considering here there is no absorption happens, so r plus t is equal to 1. And for E less than V, that is energy less than the potential, in this case the step potential in which the reflection is equal to 1, there is no transmission. In Dirac delta potential repulsive case plus alpha delta of x, and the transmission coefficient, that's equal to 1 by 1 plus m alpha square divided by 2 t is equal to transmission coefficient, that's equal to 1 by 1 plus m alpha square by 2h cross square E. Reflection coefficient r is equal to 1 by 1 plus 2h cross square E by m alpha square. Thank you for watching.